Okay, folks, this is really mundane, really boring. I don't know exactly what they are, but they look like something to do with fastening things in a house, in housing, like cupboards or something. We'll soon find out what these are without knowing what they exactly are. Okay, let's see what these are. They are some kind of fastenings. I guess they're mystery fastenings, you could call them, in this case, because I don't know what the fuck they are exactly. They look like something used in house, in renovations. A lot of people love to renovate, folks. They love to renovate and they love to use these fastenings for their renovation jobs. Yeah, that looks interesting. Interesting indeed, but not something really worth anything. They're all horizontally placed, most of them. Don't like this one, folks. This one's a shit. Already it's showing to be a shit piece. I'm going to try and just push them on angles, all sorts of angles, into an interesting pattern. Instead of being, going to push it up high. Going to squash them down. Yeah, that looks a bit better. Enlarge these less. Yeah, that looks better. Do wonder if maybe that's going to be like so. there. And we're going to utilise this. This is a really difficult one, folks. Really difficult. The colour in that is going to be challenging as well. We're going to maybe add a background colour, a different one to brown. And make it yellow. Yeah, that's come up a treat actually. That's come up better than I was expecting it, and we got the right, pretty much the right positioning. I think we can utilise that. A pleasant surprise, folks. I thought this was going to at least come close to being a bum note. But it looks like it's turning up a real treat. Unbelievable. Amazing what the photocopier can pick up like it does. Even though photocopiers are shit, and I know the industry's full of shit, but occasionally there's a surprise to be had as an artist, as a photocopier artist. You just don't always know how it's going to turn out, how this little box of Physics 101 is going to perform. So these are our two mirrored pieces. Just bump that one out of place. Yeah, a bit curly, folks. Yeah, that's come up looking really quite a treat. I think we can now call this demo quits.